Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, rear window defroster, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.